How to fix a WAN 185 error in League of Legends? For this first step, search for run and type the following text msconfig. Click OK. Click services. Enable hide all Microsoft services. Disable all. Click apply and OK. And restart your device. Once the restart is complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for your client. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means click allow another app and you need to browse it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Once complete after, move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter and at last exit it. After completing, go on with next step. Search for run. Type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. The network settings will open. In this you need to right click properties, click configure, go to advanced, click preferred band and select the preferred band. Click OK. After completing, close it and come to next step. Click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Click yes and reset your network. After completing, you can check if the problem still remains. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for your Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click uninstall. Once uninstall after, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can open up the Riot client. It will asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard freshly reinstall it. Thank you.